So, Thomas, you were speaking here on a panel this afternoon. Can you tell us a little bit about what you covered?
So the panel this afternoon talked about electric vehicle and hybrid vehicle architectures and optimizations to the motor and power electronics feeding into those architecture decisions. So we had some very interesting talks by people talking about wheel motors and new generations of electric motors. And then in the panel we handled a range of questions. Which architectures are to be preferred, what influences the decisions to go for one architecture versus another, and what are the benefits of the different options.
How does the efficiency of each type of electric drive unit compare?
So obviously any electric drive unit type can fit for specific applications. There are many different niches, and the different electric drive units can fill those different spots. Generally speaking, the direct drive options, they are much more bulky and heavy, come with a much higher material cost. So the amount of reduction there helps optimizing efficiency, lightweighting, and helps in packaging as well. So we believe in providing enough reducer capability for any given electric motor in order to make efficient electric drive units.
And which is more costly in initial outlay and in long-term costs for maintenance?
Without any doubt, the basic architecture that is selected, the importance of doing upfront requirement analysis and requirement engineering along the whole stage of the project is very important. But in the early phases, that's where actually little of the cost is made in doing that. Most of the cost is made when you are in production.
Okay. And is it better to create a whole e-drive system or to allow a modular approach?
That really depends the application. So at Dana we work from light vehicle over commercial vehicles like buses and trucks into the off-highway heavy vehicle industry. And what you see over that span of applications is really that for the high volume programs, especially like in passenger cars, there is a drive towards integrated units. Sharing functionalities between components makes the unit lighter, more cost effective. But it comes at higher investment costs, and as a consequence, for the more niche applications, the lower volume applications, a modular approach makes much more sense.